In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect to a custom thank you page in Mailchimp and why you should do it. Redirecting to a custom thank you page gives you the opportunity to engage with your new subscribers immediately and can enhance their experience by adding a personal touch. This small change can make a significant impact on how subscribers perceive your brand right from the start. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to Mailchimp's website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already a Mailchimp user, you'll need to sign up first, but for this tutorial we'll assume you already have an existing account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you can see the option called Audience. Click on it and from the drop down menu select All Contacts. This step is crucial because it allows you to manage the audience you want to work with. Now once you've selected all contacts, you'll see a list of different audiences you have. Choose the one you're targeting for this campaign. With your audience selected, look for the sign up forms option and click on it. You should see various choices, but the one we're interested in is Form Builder. Scroll down to find the Form Builder tile, and when you see it, click on Manage Forms. Inside the Form Builder, which is your hub for creating and editing forms, you're going to find a section for forms and response emails. From this drop-down menu, select Confirmation Thank You page. This is the page that subscribers will see immediately after confirming their subscription. To ensure a seamless transition, there's a field labeled, instead of showing this thank you page, send subscribers to another URL. This is where you'll enter the URL of your custom thank you page. It's a good idea to create a page that reflects your brand's voice and possibly offers a special welcome message, a discount code, or useful resources for your new subscribers. Finally, once you've entered the URL, don't forget to click on the Save button. Saving these changes ensures that they're instituted in your Mailchimp account, redirecting your subscribers effectively to your custom thank you page. And there you have it. By following these steps, not only have you managed to set up a custom thank you page, but you've also improved the initial experience your new subscribers have with your brand. This is a powerful way to start building a stronger relationship with them from the very beginning. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to enhance your marketing strategies.